Hey guys, it's your girl Nautikaji and welcome back to Fact Science. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that's more mind-boggling than trying to understand why people put pineapple on pizza, the multiverse. Get ready to have your minds blown, because we're about to explore 10 multiverse fun facts that'll have you questioning everything you thought you knew about, well, everything. Like, are we living in a simulation? Is there a universe where I actually have my life together? We're about to find out. From parallel universes to infinite possibilities, we're covering it all. So buckle up, grab your thinking caps, or maybe a helmet, just in case your brain explodes, and let's get this multiverse party started. Okay, so picture this, the multiverse. It's like a giant cosmic apartment complex, but instead of apartments, it's filled with universes. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking about a reality where our universe is just one tiny studio apartment in a building with infinite floors and rooms, each representing a different universe. Imagine a universe where dinosaurs still roam the Earth, or one where everyone communicates through interpretive dance. The possibilities are literally endless. It's enough to make your head spin faster than a disco ball at a space rave. But hold up! Before you start packing your bags for a multiverse vacation, we need to talk about the ground rules. The multiverse isn't some scientifically proven fact, yet. It's a hypothetical group of multiple universes that physicists and cosmologists have proposed to explain some of the biggest mysteries of our existence. Think of it like this. Scientists are like cosmic detectives, always looking for clues to solve the universe's biggest puzzles. And the multiverse, my friends, is one of the most mind-blowing suspects on their list. Why did scientists come up with this crazy multiverse idea? Quantum mechanics and cosmology revealed some seriously weird stuff, like finding a pineapple pizza in the fridge. These theories are like messy roommates, leaving evidence everywhere. The multiverse ties up a lot of those loose ends. How many versions of you could be out there? If the multiverse is real, there could be an infinite number of yous.
Let's zoom in on one of the multiverse's most fascinating residents: parallel universes. Imagine bumping into you. Every decision creates a split in reality, leading to a universe where another you exists. In a parallel universe, both versions of you exist. Is there any scientific evidence to support this wild theory? Let's investigate. Now, before you go looking for portals to parallel universes in your backyard, don't worry, we've all been there. Let's talk about the science behind this mind-bending concept. One of the most popular explanations for parallel universes comes from, drum roll please, quantum mechanics. Yeah, I know, it sounds complicated, but trust me, it's actually pretty cool. You see, quantum mechanics is like the rule book for the tiniest particles in the universe. And let me tell you, these particles are total rebels. They don't follow the same rules as the macroscopic world we live in. For example, imagine a single particle existing in multiple states at the same time, like a chameleon that's simultaneously red, blue, and green. That's quantum superposition for you. And according to some interpretations of quantum mechanics, each of those states could represent a different reality, a different branch in the vast multiverse. Now, if you're anything like me, your brain is probably doing a little dance of confusion right now. But that's the beauty of the multiverse. It's a mind-bending mystery that continues to intrigue and inspire us. Okay, so picture this. You're at a buffet, right? And there's like a million options. Pizza, tacos, sushi, that weird Jell-O salad your aunt brings to every family gathering. You get to choose whatever you want. That's kinda how the multiverse works, but instead of food, it's possibilities. Every decision you make, every path you don't take, creates a split in the universe. Like in one universe, you're rocking that unicorn onesie you secretly love, and in another, you're wearing a three-piece suit to a rave. No judgment. The point is, there's a universe for every single choice, every possibility you can imagine, and probably a bunch you can't even fathom. It's like mind-blowingly massive and makes your brain feel like it's doing the Macarena. So next time you're struggling with a decision, just remember, there's a you out there somewhere who already made the opposite choice, and they're probably having a grand old time. Or, maybe not. But hey, at least they're living their best multiverse life. Section 2. You Do You, Multiverse.
The best part about this whole infinite possibilities thing, it means there's no pressure to be perfect, like zero, zilch, nada. Because guess what? There's a universe out there where you're already the best version of yourself. You aced that test you were worried about. You finally beat your high score on that impossible video game level. You even managed to fold that fitted sheet perfectly. Okay, maybe that last one is a stretch, but you get the idea. The point is, you're already killing it in some alternate reality. So why stress about it here? Just embrace the chaos, make the choices that feel right, and remember, you do you, boo. Because in the grand scheme of the multiverse, your weirdness, your quirks, your unique brand of awesome, totally normal. In fact, it's probably celebrated somewhere. So go forth and be your most extra self, multiverse fam.
Okay, so we've established that the multiverse is basically a cosmic buffet of infinite possibilities, right? But hold on to your hats, folks, because it gets even wilder. Imagine a universe where gravity works in reverse. You drop your phone, and instead of plummeting to its doom, it shoots up towards the ceiling. Or a universe where you can teleport like it's nobody's business. Just poof! Gone! Need some milk? Poof! You're at the grocery store. Sounds pretty chaotic, right? Well, that's the beauty of the multiverse. Different universes could have totally different laws of physics, like the speed of light might be a suggestion instead of a hard and fast rule. Time travel could be as easy as ordering takeout.
And get this. Some physicists believe that in certain universes, we might even be made of completely different stuff. Like, instead of atoms, we could be made of tiny, vibrating strings of energy. Or maybe we're just blobs of sentient goo. Honestly, the possibilities are endless, and also kind of terrifying. Like, have you ever seen those deep-sea creatures? Yeah, let's not go there. But the point is, the multiverse is a wild, wacky, and totally unpredictable place. And that's what makes it so darn fascinating. It's like the ultimate what-if machine.
Alright, multiverse explorers, buckle up because things are about to get seriously sciencey. Let's talk about quantum mechanics, which is basically the study of how tiny particles behave. It's like the ultimate game of microscopic hide and seek, but with way more math. Now, I'm not going to pretend to be a physics whiz here, but the gist is this. Quantum mechanics suggests that particles can exist in multiple states at the same time. Like, they're both here and there doing this and that all at once. It's like they have some serious commitment issues. This mind-boggling concept is called superposition, and it's one of the key pieces of evidence supporting the multiverse theory. Because if particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, why can't entire universes? Think of it like this. Every time a quantum measurement is made, the universe splits, creating a separate reality for each possible outcome. It's like the universe is constantly playing a cosmic game of choose your own adventure, and each choice spawns a new timeline. So, in one universe, you might be watching this video while simultaneously eating a bowl of cereal and training to be an astronaut in another. And in yet another, you're probably a cat. Don't ask me how, it's quantum physics. The point is, quantum mechanics provides some pretty compelling evidence for the existence of the multiverse. And while it might make your brain hurt a little, okay, a lot, it also opens up a whole new world of possibilities. Literally.
Okay, picture this. You're back in elementary school, lunchtime, and you've got the pizza Lunchable. But then, bam! Do you trade it for your friend's cosmic brownie? In this universe, maybe you did. But in an alternate reality, you held on to that pizza Lunchable. And that's what we're talking about here, people. Alternate realities. Every decision creates a split in the universe, a whole new timeline. The possibilities are endless, my friends, endless. But hold up, it gets even wilder. Remember the butterfly effect? The idea that a tiny butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could cause a tornado in Texas? Well, in the multiverse, every little thing matters. Every dropped ice cream cone, every missed bus, every awkward encounter, it all has the potential to create a ripple effect across different realities. The multiverse is a wild, unpredictable place where anything is possible. The possibilities, much like the multiverse itself, are literally endless. And that's what makes this whole concept so mind-bogglingly awesome.
Get ready to have your minds blown wider than a bubblegum bubble in a hurricane, because we're diving into the wacky world of bubble universes. Imagine a pot of boiling water. Each bubble is a whole universe, a universe vibing in its own bubble of space-time. This is the concept of bubble universes or eternal inflation theory. Our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam, each expanding like a cosmic hot air balloon race. But here's the thing about these bubble universes, they're not exactly next-door neighbors. We're talking distances so vast, so mind-bogglingly huge, that it would make even the longest road trip seem like a hop, skip, and a jump. Like imagine trying to drive to the edge of a bubble that's constantly expanding faster than the speed of light. Yeah, good luck with that. So while the idea of hopping between bubble universes might seem like a fun weekend getaway, it's probably not going to happen anytime soon. Unless, of course, someone invents a spaceship that can travel faster than the speed of thought, which, let's be real, would be totally awesome. But even if we can't physically travel to these other bubble universes, just knowing they might exist out there is pretty darn cool, right? It's like the universe is basically a giant cosmic bubble bath, and we're all just soaking in our own little bubbles of reality. And who knows, maybe one day our bubble will collide with another, leading to a mind-blowing cosmic mashup. Talk about a party! Alright, buckle up, buttercups, because things are about to get stringy. I'm talking about string theory, a mind-bending area of physics that attempts to explain, well, pretty much everything. Imagine the universe made up of teeny tiny vibrating strings of energy, like guitar strings, but creating all fundamental forces and particles. Wild, right? These strings need more than our regular dimensions to vibrate. They need 10 or even 11 dimensions. These extra dimensions are curled up so small we can't perceive them. So, what does all this stringy business have to do with the multiverse? Hold on to your hats, because here comes the really mind-blowing part. String theory suggests these extra dimensions are curled up into specific shapes called Calabi-Yau manifolds. Each shape potentially corresponds to a different universe with its own unique set of physical laws. String theory is like cosmic origami, folding dimensions and spitting out universes. Even if string theory isn't the ultimate explanation, it's still incredibly fascinating. It's a reminder that the reality we experience might be just one tiny slice of a much grander multiverse.
Imagine the universe right after the Big Bang, like 0.000000000000000000001 seconds after. It's going through some serious expansion, faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. This rapid expansion is called cosmic inflation. The universe was expanding way faster than the speed of light. Disconnected parts could have become their own separate universes. Our universe, just one bubble in a giant cosmic bathtub filled with other bubble universes.
Now, I know what you're thinking, Liza. This is blowing my mind. I need a snack break. And trust me, I feel you. But hold on, because it gets even wilder. Some scientists believe that cosmic inflation never really stopped. It's like that friend who keeps saying, "One more episode." but then you end up binge-watching the entire season. Except in this case, it's the universe binge-creating universes. That means new universes could be popping up all the time, each with its own set of possibilities. We could be talking about a universe where pineapple on pizza is mandatory. A universe where everyone communicates through interpretive dance. A universe where I finally understand quantum physics. Okay, maybe not that last one, but you get the point. Cosmic inflation is like the ultimate cosmic lottery, constantly spitting out new universes with different winning numbers. And who knows, maybe somewhere out there, there's a universe where I'm not just a YouTuber, but the supreme ruler of the galaxy. A girl can dream, right?
Okay, let's be real. The multiverse isn't just some mind-boggling scientific theory. It's also the source of some seriously epic entertainment. Like, have you seen Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse? I mean, talk about a multiverse party. We've got different spider people swinging through dimensions, each with their own unique style and powers. It's like a Spider-Man fashion show, but with more web-slinging and dimension hopping. And let's not forget about Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness. Benedict Cumberbatch rocking the goatee and battling interdimensional threats? Yes, please, it's enough to make you want to brush up on your magic skills and invest in a good cape. And who could forget the classic Back to the Future trilogy? Time travel, alternate timelines, a DeLorean that runs on garbage. It's the multiverse at its finest.
But it's not just movies, honey. TV shows are getting in on the multiverse action too. Rick and Morty, anyone? Rick's portal gun is basically a multiversal Uber, taking them on wacky adventures across different dimensions. From dog-dominated worlds to universes where everyone's a Cronenberg, it's safe to say that Rick and Morty takes the multiverse cake and probably eats it in an alternate dimension. And let's not forget about the countless books, comics, and video games that explore the mind-bending possibilities of the multiverse. It's like our collective imagination has become a multiversal playground filled with endless possibilities and what-if scenarios. And you know what the best part is? You don't need a fancy portal gun or a time-traveling DeLorean to explore the multiverse. All you need is your imagination. So go ahead, let your mind wander through the infinite possibilities of the multiverse. Who knows what kind of mind-blowing adventures you'll find?
And there you have it, folks. 10 mind-blowing multiverse fun facts that'll have you questioning reality and craving a good sci-fi marathon. From parallel universes to cosmic inflation, we've covered it all. So which fun fact had your brain doing the most backflips? Was it the idea of infinite versions of yourself living out different lives? Or maybe the possibility of universes where gravity works in reverse? Let me know in the comments below, because I'm dying to know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more mind-expanding content. Until next time, stay curious, stay weird, and keep exploring the infinite possibilities of the multiverse. Peace out.